This presentation, titled Aging is a System Failure, Not a Natural Process, is presented by Bryan Geniuson, founder and research systems architect at Natural Scientifics. The material explores aging through a systems biology lens, focusing on interacting mechanisms of degeneration and regeneration that shape biological decline and disease emergence. This content is intended for educational and scientific discussion only. Aging is often described as natural, inevitable, and simply the result of time passing. But biologically, that is not what aging is. Aging is not a clock, and it is not time doing what time does. Aging is a systems failure. In living biological systems, decline does not occur because time passes. Decline occurs when repair mechanisms fail to keep up with damage, when energy production weakens, when cellular cleanup slows, and when communication between cells becomes impaired. Aging emerges not from time itself, but from interacting biological system failures. At the center of aging are a small number of deeply connected systems. Cellular energy systems begin to fail, leading to reduced energy availability and increased molecular damage. Genetic stability systems weaken as protective structures are gradually lost under repeated stress. Cellular quality control mechanisms break down, allowing damaged cells to persist rather than repair or exit. At the same time, regenerative capacity declines as stem cells lose their ability to efficiently renew tissue. These failures do not occur independently. They amplify one another. Energy deficits accelerate damage. Damage increases inflammation. Inflammation further disrupts repair and regeneration. Over time, this feedback loop shifts biology away from maintenance and toward decline. Every moment, the body is making a choice between degeneration and regeneration. When repair processes outpace damage, tissues remain functional. When damage outpaces repair, degeneration accumulates. Aging is the progressive shift from regeneration-dominant biology to degeneration-dominant biology. This is why aging sits upstream of disease. Cancer does not emerge from nowhere. Neurodegeneration does not suddenly begin. Metabolic disease does not arise in isolation. These conditions develop downstream of long-standing system failures associated with aging. Disease is not separate from aging. Disease is what aging looks like when biological systems fail far enough. If aging is a systems problem, then understanding aging requires systems thinking, not isolated symptoms, not single targets, and not purely reductionist explanations. In future discussions, we will examine how these same system failures express themselves as specific diseases and why modern medicine often treats downstream consequences rather than upstream causes. A full scientific breakdown of the mechanisms discussed here, including pathway analysis and supporting literature, is available separately. This presentation is for educational purposes only and does not provide medical advice.